Sprint 31 review. What a sprint. Unbelievable. The guys took in... Oh yeah, I just wanted to clarify for anyone who does watch this demo in the future. The definition of done for the Ninja team is any item that has been fully developed, deployed, and tested in the Ninja environment. So there's obviously a gap between what we do in Ninja and what goes live. But we're down a team member for this sprint, so we took in 26 points instead of our usual 30. However, on top of this, we took in 18 hours of priority work, and in a Ninja First, we did 3 successful releases to live of done work. The most recent was yesterday, the shop release, where we did the self-service change my bookings and the change my booking details. We also did a booking and batch server release and a supplier intranet release. So I just wanted to make it public that this is an incredible amount of work for one sprint. I'll say it in case no one else will. Compliment to the team, and it's the planning and sharing of knowledge and workload that makes these guys rock stars. Presentation rockstar Lee, who is going to demonstrate one, the additional email address and batch server that was in VTRN 1286, and then after that he's going to do a very stylish display of the self-service setup. So Lee, I got the 2 emails here ready to go for you, buddy. There and there, and I'll let you take over.
I know. They've been. Go for Lee, you're live.
Hi everyone. I'm just going to firstly demo this existing email addresses, this existing email queues, the lead queue and the groups queue, how certain email addresses will redirect to those queues. So what we're talking about is the LV lead email address, which I've got a email up here at the moment, or I did have, here we go, yep. So what I'm going to do is just send that, and what that should be doing is creating a task on the lead queue in Las Vegas. So I'll just send that off now, and I'll just go into VRS, yep. I'll just flip over to the Las Vegas queue. Okay. So I'll just go down to the lead part. So as you can see here, it's created this task here, the IDB 3078, which you can see the subject of the email that was sent. So it successfully went into the expected queue. The other email address is to the group's email address. So in this case, we're just sending it to our team environment, but we'll just illustrate in production. Obviously, we'll go to groups@viator.com. But yep, I'll just send this off now, the groups email. And once again, I'll go back to the Vegas dashboard, and there'll be a groups queue here. And as you can see, VRS email example here. So it's created IDB 3079 successfully on that queue. So that's pretty much it for the VTRN 1286 task. So now I was just going to go and show you some of the development work that's been happening for the VML site. So just as a brief overview, this is just to, I guess, prepare the VML sites for the changes to incorporate all the My Bookings page changes, so self-service on all the different VML sites. So yeah, that's all the different language sites, so like French or German, Dutch, basically all of them. So, but in this case, what I'll do is I'll just log into the French VML site. Okay. Okay, so I've just logged into the French VML site. You can see up here. I'll just go to the My Bookings page here. And I'll just go to the first booking, which is actually the first one there. So what we've done as basically the setup for the UI changes that need to be done for the My Bookings page is brought all the functionality from Shop into here. So as you can see, there's the changes that are in Shop for the travel or details information and the manage your booking drop list. So on the Confluence page, we've actually got a screenshot, the Confluence page for the sprint. So like when I click this drop down, you won't be able to see obviously the list, I believe, but if we go to the Confluence page, Chrome, yeah, this one?
Nope.
This one?
Next one.
Next one? Oh, okay. And
I've lost it actually, great.
oh, okay.
Wherever I was doing my presentation from.
Okay.
Anyway, I'll just get it. Sorry.
Okay. Sorry, won't be a sec.
Sorry guys, my bad. Had the Confluence page open a moment ago. Here we go.
Oh, here we go.
So
Cool. So, so what Finn's just clicked on there is just how the just where I put my arrow now, those drop list options, which are the same as in Shop now, have been brought into the VML sites as the, I guess, the setup work for the My Bookings page in VML sites. So
the second one while you're there.
yeah, it's a good idea. Yep. So what I was going to do is just the next booking I'm going to show. This is just the drop list options for it. So this will be a cancelled booking. So as you can see, as per on Shop, the customer care requests options are different. So it just sort of reflects that the drop list options will vary depending upon basically depend upon what the booking status and so forth is of the booking. So what I'll do is I'll just go to the if we just go back to, sorry. Oh, was it? Oh, okay, sorry. Yep. Cool. Yep, got it. So what I'll do is I'll just go to the second booking, which is, yep.
While you're doing that, Lee, I'll just clarify that this is the French site. They all will be in French. It's just at the moment the translations are still sitting with the translations team.
And we haven't implemented the translation API fully yet either. So at the minute, this task was just to prepare the way for actually making this thing a complete feature where we have all of the functionality in all of the different languages.
Cool, thanks guys. So basically I've just gone down to example of the cancelled booking, which I showed on the screenshot before of the drop list options, which are down in this area, but this is just showing how, like with the cancel status, you have the cancelled here as per Shop. So there's been a lot of work done to actually bring all the Shop changes in here as part of the setup process, but like Dennis and Bruce said, there's a fair bit of work to be done for the translations and yeah, I guess reforming based on that. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it from me. Thanks for the clap.